Our problem solving for today is about the frustum square pyramid. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. A rectangular block of alloy has the following dimensions: 4.3 cm by 7.2 cm by 12.4 cm. It was melted and recast into a frustum of a sphere pyramid, 10% of the metal being lost in the process. If the ends of the frustum are square of 3 cm and 8 cm respectively, determine the height of the frustum. Now, here, if we can draw the rough sketch of a pyramid, so if this is a pyramid, and we have this, if we have this one, and we have this one, so if this is the pyramid, okay, what we want here is the frustum of a square pyramid. That means, if you will cut this one horizontally, the pyramid, if you will cut it horizontally, this area, this part here, is the so-called frustum of a square pyramid. Square because this one, for example, we designate as X and X because the base is square. That's why they call it a frustum of a square pyramid. Now, the formula for a pyramid, volume of pyramid, is equal to 1/3 the length times the width times the height. That means this is the one. This is the height of the pyramid. This is the volume. But because we need a frustum of a square pyramid only, so we need this one. So we have to find, this is what we're looking for, the height of the frustum. So we will designate this as F. This is what we're looking for, the HF, the height of the frustum of a square pyramid. Means, since we have the formula for the volume of the pyramid, there is also a volume for formula for the volume of a frustum of a square pyramid, because this is a square. 1/3 times E squared plus EB plus B squared times the height of the frustum. So this is the height of the frustum. What is the A? A is equal to, for example, we will designate this one up, the upper base as A, and the lower base, which is we put it in X, we can put it B. B, the same as this one, because as I've said earlier, it is a square. So this is the formula for the volume of frustum of a square pyramid. Now, what are given here? Originally, the metal is a rectangular metal. So when it is recast, melted and recast, this is what will happen. It's become the frustum of a square pyramid. This is the one. So this, we can erase this one now. We can erase the upper part because we need only the frustum of a square pyramid. That means this one. This is the one now. Now, what we're looking for is the height of the frustum. Now, first, because when it was a rectangular block, there is a dimension of 12 by 7.2. It is 12.4 and 4.3. There is a dimension. So, the volume for this, we can take the volume of this metal block, which is equal to the volume of the rectangular volume. The formula is equal to 7.2 times the length, which is 12.4, times the width, which is equal to 4.3. This is the volume of the rectangular block. Volume, therefore, after solving this one, simplifying this one, is equal to 383.904 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. Now, why we solve the volume of the metal block? Because when we transfer this one, it will become melted. We're making the frustum of a square pyramid. So the volume of this one will be equal to the volume of the frustum of a square pyramid. Therefore, but it is stated here that it is 10% of the metal being lost in the process. That means the volume become less. So there is the new volume. It will be minus 10% of the original volume. So the new volume, therefore, new volume will be equal to 90%, because 100% minus 10%, which is lost. So the remaining is 90% of the original, 90% of the original volume, which is 383,904. New volume, therefore, is equal to 3. Where is this one? Calculator. 345. So we have the new volume, which is equal to 345.513. This is 90% of the original volume because 10% is lost. So we have now the new volume, which is equal to the volume of this whole frustum of a square pyramid. So now we can solve the height of the frustum by using this formula. This one. We can use this one. So, substituting the value of this new volume, this is the volume of the frustum, is equal to 1/3 times the A, which is equal to we designate this as the top dimension of the frustum, which is equal to 3 cm by 3 cm. So, 3 squared plus A, which is equal to 3, times B. The B is this one down. We designate this as the bottom dimension of the frustum, which is equal to 8 by 8, because it is a square. So 8 plus the B squared, which is 8, times the height of the frustum. Therefore, substituting the value of the new volume, which is equal to 345 0.513 is equal to 1/3 times 3 squared, which is equal to 9, plus 3 times 8, which is equal to 24, plus h squared, which is equal to 64, times hf. Therefore, simplifying this one, using of course the calculator, hf is equal to 10.69 centimeter. This is what we're looking for, the height of the frustum of a square pyramid. This is the one, from here to here. By the way, guys, I just launched my join membership button the other day. And of course, I am inviting you all, my dear subscribers, if you can join my membership club to access for my perks like watch hours and shout out on live stream. Of course, I have to give you also discounts and promotions on being my member. So of course, I'll be happy and grateful if you can join my membership club. Thank you.
Sorry, it's DJ.